What was your favorite bird of the day? What was your favorite bird of the day? Who did you play with at school? Who did you play with at school? How are you kind to someone today? How are you come to someone today? What are you proud of? What are you proud of? What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? What's one good thing you are really good at? What's one good thing you are really good at? Who is the direct person you know? Who is the direct person you know? Which relative do you love seeing the most? Which relative do you love see the most? Bye bye.